Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech. We're going to get our first look at the IKEA enclosure for the K1 Pro Laser. All right, in the box, guys, we're going to get the enclosure. We get the starter manual that shows you how to set everything up, including the ventilation. We get the actual fan with the mount. We get our inside little filter or little grid. Different cables. Here's for some LED lights. This is our power supply for the fan. This is the actual power brick that you're going to plug into your wall. And this is the extension tube that you're going to use to route the smoke out of your work area. And this even comes with some tools. All right, so let's get this thing set up and see exactly what it looks like. All right, guys, so this is a completely in-house laser now. There's still a few things I need to peel off, like some of the plastic over the windows, but I'm going to take you guys to the other side so you guys can see exactly how this is set up and how you'll be able to access your laser from this enclosure. All right, guys, just really quick, I want to show you how the fan is connected, and that's going to be routed to your hose. I just have the hose routed out the back, and I'll probably get a longer hose so that I'll be able to completely extend this all the way outside. But for now, I think this is going to be perfect for vacuuming and getting rid of some of this smoke that this laser can create when I'm engraving on wood. All right, guys, you can see I have everything assembled. So let me show you how the front panel raises up. So all you have to do to access your laser is you're just going to pull the front panel up like this, and then you're going to have access to your laser. So you guys can kind of look inside here, and you could see you still have quite a bit of room inside of here if you want to look all the way inside. So there's nice spacing as far as this goes. Now, it does have a pocket here on the side where you're going to be able to, put a few tools and things like that. Definitely recommend getting one of these type of enclosures because this can keep all of the smoke and fumes out of your work area. And it still has this really nice screen here on top, so you'll still be able to see inside, and this material is designed to protect your eyes. Now, once you get this, you still have to peel off this material here, but other than that, it's going to be very simple to set this up, guys. It just connects here with Velcro. All right, so it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just want to show you guys the enclosure that I'm using for the K1 Pro laser that I have here in the studio. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.